Hello and welcome to Learn with Indrjeet. This is another video in a series of videos titled Code Like a Pro in Visual Studio 2022, where we are learning keyboard shortcuts that can be used in Visual Studio 2022 to increase coding speed. In the previous videos, we have covered navigation and scrolling shortcuts, code selection shortcuts. If you haven't watched those videos, please go ahead and watch those videos first. In this video, we will be covering multiple cursors using Control Alt and left click. Initiate multiple cursor in a vertical line using Shift Alt and down or up arrow keys, and use the same to select an area of code. So let's go to Visual Studio. Here in this example, we can see semicolons are missing in line number 30, 32, 34, 35, and 40. So let's initiate multi-cursors using Control Alt and click. Now leave the shortcut keys and press semicolon, and see semicolon are inserted in the required lines at the same time. So another example is this class. So for example, we want to initiate some datetime properties in this class like so, but see, there are different ways to initiate properties in a class. We will cover those shortcuts also in the subsequent videos. But for now, we are using multi-cursors. So to initiate multi-cursors in a straight line, straight vertical line, we should press Shift Alt and down arrow key. So we have 4 cursors, and leave the shortcut keys and start typing. So public datetime. To move to the end of each line, just press the end key and complete the getters and setters. Get and set like so. And so the property initiation is complete. This is another example of multi-cursor. Now, to use multi-cursors for a selection, before that, normally we use the shift and down arrow key to select the lines. So this is the way how lines are selected. But we can use multi-cursor also. We just have to press Shift Alt and down arrow key to initiate multiple cursors in the required lines, and then Shift and right arrow key to select that particular area. Right now, this area can be copied, pasted everywhere, anywhere, and it can also be cut. So this is another use of multi-cursor. One is when we want to work in different lines at the same time, when we want to select an area of code. So please remember to initiate multi-cursor at different positions, Control Alt and left click. To initiate multiple cursors in a vertical line, Shift Alt and down or up arrow key, and then you can use the same to select a area of code, right? So I hope you like this video. If that is so, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also please let me know in the comments which shortcuts are your favorites and which shortcuts you use frequently. Also, if you want me to make videos on any related topic, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for your time. Keep learning.